Remember, the YouTube ads feed the ducks. Hello everybody, or good morning I should say. It's December the 9th. I want to show you here, we've had another snowstorm. It just doesn't end this year. It's non-stop blowing snow today. Just the wind's just setting down here. They're calling it now, it's going to change to rain, but I want to show you this. The ducks are sleeping outside covered in snow. This morning I looked out and they were like literally covered in snowbanks. The nasty weather. And it's blowing snow, and it's supposed to get freezing rain today and drizzle, and like it's nasty out right now. The wind keeps howling. And the ducks, well, since we made the pen larger, the ducks morning rush is over. They don't even care if they get out of the pen. But like, look at them, they're all down there. They love sleeping in the snow. It's bizarre, you know. Instead of being in the buildings, you know, it's clean, it's dry. They'd rather be sleeping outside in the weather. Like, they know I'm standing right here and they're not even acknowledging me. Like, they're so happy about the pen. The pen is seriously making them happy ducks here. Well, let's do some calling here and let's wake them up. Hello? Hello? Hello, ducks? Hello? Okay, this is ridiculous. Man, oh man. They don't care. I'm gonna, we'll go to the gate. We'll go inside the pen here. And, oh, she's slippery. That snow makes the ice slippery. No, we got some ducks are in the pen, the Muscovies. It looks like they're the ones that have got the brains. Muscovies are using the building. Well, let's, everybody's inside. Actually, there's barely any footprints, but it's been blowing snow here, crazy. Hey there, duckies. The Scovies use the shelter, but everybody else, who's in here? Oh, look at this. We got Muscovies up on the chicken. Oh, I'm getting close to having the nesting situation for them. They're obviously looking for places to nest now. We're about 5 days away from, 6 days away from having the nesting boxes done for them. Today's change the straw day. It's Monday, and they need the straw done. But how many eggs we got today? What do we got here? We got one duck egg, another duck, 2, 3, 4. I see 5. And then we got a group of 6 over here. They like this corner. But this is, the Muscovies are climbing up. How many Muscovies? Actually, all the Muscovies. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 14 Muscovies are in here. So that's the 2 males are outside. And look at the size of these males. Man, they're like geese. I don't believe how big these ducks are. If they crossbreed with the Peking and the Rowan, and we get you know, big giant ducks like this, we're gonna have a lot of meat ducks next year. So yeah, there's a whack of duck eggs in here again. I don't believe these females. Don't worry, girls. I'm working on the barn. We're gonna get you proper nesting boxes, and you can start doing your thing. I'm just amazed how big these guys are. They're massive ducks, like. This guy's like, you know, he's pushing 28, 30 inches long. Freaking mules, man. You're the size of a horse. Yeah, I know. Oh, there's another male just came in. But the Muscovies are seeing they like the shed here. Don't worry, guys. You're getting clean straw today. That's my next project here. Close that door. Fresh straw today. Well, let's go and see if we can wake up the troops here. Hello, ducks. Oh, we got one of them Muscovy male out here. Are we gonna wake up? Oh my God! Look how dirty you guys are. You're filthy. What the hell have you been into? Actually, all of you are filthy. It's bizarre. Well, we'll get their water changed here. As soon as you change the water, they'll be back in it and clean themselves up. I don't know if the ducks are dirty. The ducks are dirty. Seriously, dirty ducks. You guys gonna wake up? They don't even care about leaving the pen. So the duck expansion has basically wiped out the morning rush now. They have no interest in leaving their pen. Strange. But it has been a nasty morning here. The wind's been blowing crazy and the snow, and actually just stopped snowing. Well, we're supposed to get today we're supposed to get like 10-15 centimeters of snow, so, and the wind's supposed to continue, so it's doesn't look like we're going to have a nice day. And the ducks, they basically they're just hunkering down and they don't care. Crazy ducks. Anyway, so that's the morning rush this morning. Not much. They are not interested in leaving their pen.